the 5th of July 2021. This is Kenraalintie 1 staircase B here in Valkeakoski, Pirkanmaa, Finland. There are 7 floors here, capacity is 3 per 24 pairs, built by ValmetSchlieren probably in early 1964, so this has to be early 1964. And the serial number is VS508, 7 floors, and capacity is 3 per 24 pairs. Should have been inspected in 2019, but it's delayed when it turned 55 years old. Let's write it. But I think maybe the machine sounded more, let's take a say.
Yeah.
Or we can try to listen to it when we go down. No, almost as good. Just as good as the Sticky Say.
Yeah.
But still Sticky Say, it sounded a bit different.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, and Valkeakoski does have a lot of old elevators.
Yeah.
Amazing ones. Seems like almost everything we have found is still original.
Yeah.
Except 2 modernized ones, but or like replaced design also, but
Yeah.
maybe still more than half of the original like
Yeah.
what we've seen.
Inspected by inspector, made so no discretis.
But one thing for sure, we haven't found so many ValmetSchlieren as I have thought.
Yeah.
But some, this and the 1966 so far.
Yeah.
We'll probably find more.
Yeah.
And I also believe this must be our 1964 because the basement door looks like a 1950s, 60s building. So
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That